So actually, in this video, I really want to talk about a cool tool called Humata. At least that's how I pronounce it. It's like the ChatGPT for all your files. The way it works is you can literally upload a document and it can summarize it in a matter of minutes, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a document that I already have earlier. It's a it's an agreement that was created for one of my products or one of the companies I launched called Master Life. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload that, and as soon as I upload it, boom, it shows up here, and then it uploads it literally in like span of like a few seconds, and then as you saw on the right, it showed you that kind of like time going. It means that it has actually gone through all the content. And what you'll see here is automatically like the PDF showing on the right hand side, and then the information kind of shows up on the left hand side. So it's already scraped through that, and it goes to MOU, which is the Memorandum of Understanding Established a Partnership, and it has already your example questions, right? So what are the responsibilities of Big Tree and the event management, or rather event manager in the partnership? So I can just click on that. It should automatically kind of give the answer. So here it says the responsibilities of Big Tree are facilitate the booking of tickets through the platform, and there are different sections that's already highlighted here, which is pretty cool. Provide the services in a professional and competent manner, cooperate with the event manager, right? Process refunds, right? So this is all really cool. So it gives you the summary of what their responsibility is and then what my responsibility is. So then I can be like, listen, who is the event manager in this case, right? And then hopefully it should say it's me or my company, right? uh, Boom. So it says here the event manager in this case is Master Life University Private Limited, and then it automatically goes to this section, right? So let's say that tell me, how do you handle refunds, right? So again, it should automatically kind of give you the answer by scraping through it, right? But it says I don't have a specific refund policy or process. However, based on the information, if a refund of the ticket price and any other costs required, the event manager is responsible for remitting the refund amount to the Big Tree within 7 days, right? So amazing. So if, let's say there's something else that you want to see, how much percentage, let's say, does Big Tree take in the form of transactions, right? What you can do is, again, it'll refer to this document and give you the answer, right? So there we go. So there's this awesome tool. It's called Humata. I'm going to summarize that again. It's an I think in terms of just the way it's priced, we can check that out as well. I think for up to 60 pages, it's free. I think you can essentially ask unlimited questions. I think is really cool. But then after a certain threshold, you start paying $15 a month. So hope that was helpful. Please use Humata whenever you can.